Hey Ryan, I was checking your exercise 2 assignment. I think you did a great job of looking at each year and come up with their net inflow, and then using the formula NPV to calculate the net present value for each year. Another simple way of doing that is you can pick any cell, say K4, and you want to input the net present value formula to calculate the cash inflow, the net inflow. So one way to do it is put an equal sign and enter the formula NPV, and then of course first pick the interest rate, put a comma, and then go to your net inflow and kind of select cash inflow over years, and then you hit the enter key. So they're going to give you all your accumulated cash inflow in net present value, except this has not considered the initial investment on your deals. So what you have to do is it was a negative value because of the net investment. So you add your initial investment and you hit the enter key. They will give you the same value as the one you calculated. So you repeat doing the same thing for the other two projects, in whichever project can give you the highest net present value will be the projects that should be first considered for investment. I hope that verifies your correct answer and you have done a good job.